here, recording over there. Hey guys, welcome to Frank's RC Bash. My lovely wife Jan Jan has joined us today. Say hi, Jan Jan.
Hi, what's up?
What's
YouTube? RC Bash, baby.
Yeah, so we have the Traxxas Rustler 4x4 VXL and the Traxxas Rustler 2-wheel drive VXL. This is Jan Jan's, as I dubbed it, pretty in pink. And I do have my new Talon HBX. These are TSM rated tires on. As you saw in my last video, I'd pretty much destroyed the previous tires. And I am not sporting the green body today just because we are here. And this is what we're going to be doing today. So we're going to just jump right in here and get into the action. Ready? You're set to go?
Cool.
And she's sporting the Stampede wheels on there. So we got a nice little mud puddle and a mud wall to go. Oh, look at her. She's already in the uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I can't save you on this one, sweetie. Oh, man. Well, let's hope. They are waterproof, but just don't go anywhere. Hey, 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 hey! Oh, wow. Oh, she's spraying me with mud. Oh man, this is super muddy. Just try to stay out of the big puddle. We have a small puddle over there we can run. I gotcha. Don't spin. Be careful on the tires. Those big ass tires, you'll break something. It's a deadlock. This is love. This is love. All right. I doubt it. Oh my gosh, my shoes just got 5 pounds heavier. Man, I tell you what, this is some serious mud going on back here. Oh, man, I didn't realize it was this bad. Looked like a great. Holy crap. All right. So there's a Traxxas, looks pretty good. Here are my feet, not so good. Hey, hey! What are you doing over there?
I'm way far away.
She's way far away. I'm getting covered in mud here. No. All right, how about new game plan here? Don't go up there. Maybe over here. Let me actually. All right, yeah, let's try to focus on that side over there because that's way too muddy over here. Hey now.
Uh-oh.
Let's see if I can roll you over here.
Oh, here we go again.
Oh, it's not like at home, is it?
I'll go get it.
On the concrete. I'm so sorry. I couldn't resist. This is super muddy. We're literally like a quarter of a mile from our house. And this, I know, me too. Hey, here's a small little car wash puddle there. See how high I can get up on this. Uh-oh.
Oh man, this is like brutal.
Yes, it is. It is very brutal. Oh my gosh. I should have worn shoes I don't care about. Oh, holy crap. Oh, this is bad. This is so bad. Oh my gosh. We came up here because we thought it would be cool because it had rained today.
It is cool. No reason.
Well, yeah, I know. Look. Oh man, that was sweet. I missed it. The other camera may have gotten it. Nice. Oh. Careful about your full throttle. You're gonna blow those tires up, forward or backwards.
Can you go full throttle?
Well, you can, but those tires are overrated for this vehicle. I probably didn't, but... Oh, I have mud in my hair. I have mud in my face. Oh.
The wash is right on.
Well, yeah.
I brought a lawn chair.
What?
He said I brought a lawn chair.
I'm gonna follow you. How about that? Well, this is where we can have both of us on the camera at the same time. Oh, look at her. Oh, I'm getting crazy with the cheese whiz. Uh-oh.
I'll meet you in the middle.
Somewhere in the middle. Here. Yeah, I know that the tire. It's called ballooning. My tires aren't. That slash bumper. It's been a lifesaver so many times, but it's a detriment there. Yeah. Look, you get a big clot of mud stuck on your front tire.
I'll go to the car wash.
Take it to the car wash. Stay out of that area. It's dangerous over there. She took a wet nap earlier.
I got it. Oh, baby, go.
That's how you hump it. Oh, she's trying to get some action. Oh, nice.
What do they call that cop maneuver?
The pit maneuver.
Oh, come on, for real.
All right, take off, go forward. You'll lose me. There you go.
All right.
Takes two to tango.
Woo! I know you're chasing me, baby.
Always.
That was your fault.
How do you think we end up getting married? Oh man, you're a hard one to keep up with.
I know. Better stay on your game.
Oh, look who's talking.
Catastrophe.
Slow down. Slow your wheels. Turn your wheel to the right and go forward just gently. Oh, you're stuck on here.
I got it.
I got you. You're stuck on a rock or something.
We're both good.
Slow.
Oh, I got you.
Slow to the right, yeah. Okay, let me see if I can bump you up on. There you go. There you go.
All right. Oh no. We're back in action, baby. That's right.
Dang.
I swear.
You're spitting rocks back on everywhere. Uh-oh. Now you're screwed. All right, I've been instructed to move on without. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I got this, I think. Here, let's take it through the car wash over here real quick. Ta-da! Nice and clean again.
My turn, dude. Gotta wait for the red, green, yellow.
Man. Oh, you didn't even get clean. You gotta... Uh-oh. You gotta go swimming. You're getting close. Uh-oh. I didn't even mean to do that. It's a natural attraction. Natural magnetism. Oh, man. She's getting crazy. It's a two-wheel drive. You got more.
Does that explain why you don't flip and I do?
Well, I can flip. Yeah, yours is more prone to flip just because you got the rear wheel drive going on. Oh, one of your tires looks lopsided. Come hither. Oh, no, it looks okay now. Oh, she went back into the pit of doom.
Caught
air.
Uh-oh. I can't get you out of that.
Just nudge me in the rear there. Ha 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 ha. Oh.
Alright.
It's all good. Oh man, this is so much more muddier than we expected it to be. Ow! Oh! You're ruthless! Oh my God! She's ruthless! Yeah! As I said, you're not having fun unless you're getting dirty. Oh, dang, she's getting on it. Yeah, you gotta just start off gently. Oh. Oh, nice jump. So the new green Talon tires on the 4x4 Rustler are doing very well. And unlike some of my other tires for this vehicle, they were properly glued. As I mentioned before, these are TSM rated, so they should be able to take quite a bit of punishment. I'm running the 1154 combo in here just because we're bashing it. You can't really run the 1754 on off-road so much. Oh yeah! I'll eat you for dinner. Oh, and she takes a nosedive. Yes. Uh-oh. My thingy. Hey, oh man, I got myself on that one.
I'm coming to take her car back. I'm no longer pink and pretty.
Yeah, no longer pretty in pink, she's just pretty in mud. Uh-oh. Here, come over here, I'll give you a little wash. I'll give you a mud bath. Oh! She's getting on it. Uh-oh. Oh, I've got you wedged up on a rock. Can you move? There you go.
Taking a break.
Right on. Let's see. This is where she got stuck earlier. I'm gonna see if the old rusty Mad Max can get through here or not. Oh, stuck already. Uh-oh, about to take out the other camera over there. Uh-oh. Oh, more mud for my shoes. Oh, man, this is treacherous. So much for new shoes. Oh, dang! Damn, it's a good thing I had sunglasses on. I just got hit in the eye. Oh, look. We never learn from our mistakes, do we?
It's not even moving. My wheels aren't going.
Uh-oh.
What is that?
She's fooked it.
Take your shoes off?
She's fooked it up. Well, let me see. Handy dandy log here. Oh, there you go. Now she's back in action.
I did watch that time.
Yeah, you did.
Stay out of that thing.
How are your feet doing there?
They're sunk. Oh!
Don't fall in.
Okay, so I'm gonna get on my trash bag.
I have to tie a board around
And
your
then
ass.
you're gonna squirt me.
Oh, hey! That sounds pretty.
We're gonna splash.
I got dirt on the lens. You guys can see me in my glasses. I've already got dirt all over me.
Oh no, you just wait.
I know. This was planned coming up here. There's Jan putting on the old garbage bag so she can get covered in mud. Here, I gotta clean this lens off just a little bit. There we go. Whew, man. Yeah, normally they say this is a bloody mess, but this is a muddy mess. Oh, hey, check it out. Before you do that, look at the dirt hill. Let's see. Uh-oh. For real, I got it stuck up there.
See that?
So much per 4x4. Holy crap. Oh, this is... Oh, look at the Rustler.
Oh, dude, that's cool.
Talk about some...
He's incognito.
Yeah.
Military.
Stealth. Uh-oh, she's upside down in the water.
Hey.
Hey, that's, by the way, that smells like cow manure.
Nice.
Nope. We're in a deadlock.
I think someone's gonna take a... Thanks. I wouldn't be surprised if we don't fall in this crap.
Oh, I think this up here is manure. I think the rest of it's just dirt, fill dirt.
No, I mean, like,
We're gonna take a dump.
I'm gonna fall.
Oh. Nice little between the legs action there from Jan. Oh. She's getting crazy. Dang, man. That spit like way over there. You see the water rippling. It's a nice free car wash there. Oh, man. She's determined to blow those tires out.
I told you if I mess something up.
Yeah, on the Stampede wheels, I don't have a clue if they're TSM rated or not as far as the high speed goes, but those things balloon like a mofo. Have to be careful what I say. This is YouTube and all. My wife's wearing a garbage bag for the upper. She's trying to get the effect on the white for all the mud. Here, let's give her some. Oh.
I'm trying. I can't do it.
Here, you want some mud on you? Here's mud in your eye.
I get dirty.
Oh, I got mud. I think that was from you.
Go fast through the puddle. Ready? Go over there. And nope. You ain't getting it.
Man, I'm getting it. Oh, maybe I need to go forward. Because...
That's what I was saying. Go back there and go fast.
oh, she got some that time. Oh, the phone keeps getting it too.
Go over there. It's all for you, YouTube man.
Oh yeah, stay right, pull right up in front of me. Right, yeah, just stay there for a second. Oh, that's not gonna work. Here, stay there, stay there, stay there. Here, I'll come to you.
Queen of the world.
Oh, she's doing her Titanic move. All right, now get ready to gun yours forward. Now pull the throttle just slowly. Oh! Oh! Did you get it?
I got some.
Ah, she got some. Jan came out on a mission today. She came on a mission to get muddy. She came on a mission to get ill. Oh, that got me too. Look at her face. I'm getting it too. You see my shirt, my shorts, and my shoes especially.
Put on a trash bag, baby.
I'm not putting on a trash bag. Screw that. Only chicks put on trash bags. Car wash. Are you stuck?
No.
Oh. From this way? I know, they're so heavy.
No, you gotta go fast.
You know, I mean, the thing is, you get the wheels spinning. That's where all the mud comes from.
Do not mess up my leg again.
Oh, yeah, Jan drove the old Pretty in Pink over there into her foot at about, I don't know, 15, 20 miles per hour. And her ankle was swollen for like 4 or 5 weeks. It was not pretty. That was not Pretty in Pink. Oh. Oh. Sorry, we're trying to mate. This is how we do it. Oh, sabotage. Sabotage. Well, I tell you what, I think this one location is going to be an entire episode. I think this one spot's going to be an entire episode. Ah. We're already at 28 minutes. Oh! Slam! Do-do-do. Here I come to slay your day. Uh-oh. Oh no!
Both on our backs. That's not fun.
Well, you know, that all depends on the situation. Oh man. Ugh. What a muddy mess. There she goes, she's gonna spin dirt on me. Oh! Oh my! Oh! I took it. Here, so you see my shirt, you see my shorts, see my legs. That's what she's talking about. This is the whole reason we came out today. It's because of her.
Oh no.
Oh yeah. You know, yesterday she goes, honey, you know what I want to do tomorrow? And I said, what, lovey? I said, get mud off my feet? No. No, she says, we need to take the RC cars out because it's going to rain all weekend. We need to go get dirty, right?
I sure did.
Yeah, she sure did.
That's true love.
He's my
Mwah.
I'll Pookie Bear.
Papa
All
Bear.
right. People are throwing up now on YouTube. Don't take out the tripod. Uh-oh, she's stuck.
I got this.
She does, by George. Oh! Oh, one little slip of the wheel. I gotcha.
I want a four-wheel.
Uh-oh. Looks like we're having another mating session here.
Oh, my wheel. Oh, no. Yeah.
It's too... Hang on, I got this.
No.
I don't got this. Oh, here we go. Scoosh. Hey. Now, yeah, she's getting ugly on purpose now.
Thank you.
I am one filthy dog, I tell you. Hang on. I can get more mud off the lens there. I don't know if I can get this on the other camera, but you guys, you see the phone and the remote.
I don't care about that.
That's what it takes.
They want to see the
I know, that's all. Users, that's all you come for, is to watch our RC bashing. Hey, but that's why we do it. Oh, look at you, rookie.
Darn it.
Oh, there's too much.
Go the other way. Oh, that was smart.
Yeah. Another car wash there. Oh, yeah. I'll ramp off you. Uh-oh. I'm getting over in that danger zone over there. Deep water. Man, I gotta tell you, the two-wheel drive VXL with those Stampede tires is doing really good out here in the mud. I mean, she's hanging with the 4x4. Oh, look, she's getting, oh, she's trying. She's getting up on the hill.
No.
Are you stuck?
Stuck.
Uh-oh. I don't think I can save you up there. Well, it's either going to be getting one car out or oh, I'm stuck too. Nope. That's where the 4x4 comes in handy. Oh, dang, that was a hard hit. I'm stuck, Lovey. Perfect timing. That's good enough. Oh, and I did it again. Yeah, this is super thick mud up here. We didn't expect this, but hey, the muddier the merrier. What do you think you're doing? Oh, I just covered myself in mud. Probably. All right, I gotta get a picture on this one. Is it not rolling?
No.
See battery green on your remote?
Yes.
Oh yeah. So there you guys have it. One slow blink, which means that the battery, if you get a fast red blink there, it means it's thermal shutdown. So the new fan, the new fan I put on for the Stampede wheels is doing really well. We've been bashing for 36 minutes exactly. So look at poor little Jan Jan. Look at her feet. See, covered. And her makeshift, dude, we don't do raincoats in Tennessee, but she just wanted to give the effect of all the mud. Look at her face and her sunglasses.
Happy Saturday.
Happy Saturday at Frank's RC Bash. We love you guys.
Do you not have another battery?
I do. I have another battery for yours. Should we move on to the next location?
Oh, okay.
Because we already got 36 minutes here. So, all right, guys. So that's it. We're going to move on to the next video. So, as always, thanks for watching Frank's RC Bash. Peace.
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 Hey.
Jan Jan says peace.
Peace out.
Peace out.